make the strings.
Primer. Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of the Subaru WRX build. So obviously this thing was a hail damaged car. It was totaled out by the insurance, and I bought it from Copart, which is an auto auction that you typically have to have a dealer license to buy through. I used Auto Bidmaster as a broker to allow me to buy stuff in state. I had issues previously with my previous broker where they weren't allowed to basically go Colorado title, out of state title, and then back, or Colorado title, out of state dealer, and then back to Colorado. Whereas Auto Bidmaster has their own 50 state dealer license, or dealer license in every 50 states, which is awesome. And so again, huge shout out to them. And you know, without doing that, I wouldn't have been able to buy this car, and you guys can too. So if you use the code in the description, you do get $50 off, and you know, check out the memberships and all that other stuff. But if you guys are interested in doing auction cars, you know, definitely that's an awesome way to go. They are the #1, you know, approved Copart broker. So anyhow, in this video, you're gonna see Brandon pulling out all the little dents and you know, basically all the big hail dents that are in the doors, quarter panels, and roof rails, and all that other type of stuff, and get it all nice and blocked. Put some icing on it, some primer, blocked again, some more freaking primer. You guys know how much we love primer, but I'm not actually doing the primer in this video. It's basically Brandon. So a lot of you guys were talking about me, you know, doing primer and bodywork videos. So that's kind of why I'm doing this with Brandon, is so that I don't essentially have to be doing most of the stuff. Obviously the Civic is kind of coming together, so I've been doing that, as well as some other stuff on kind of the side. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly how long this WRX is going to stick around, but we'll see. But I guess enjoy this video. So Brandon's been over here working on the WRX, and so basically what he does is he'll take like a dent like that, basically grind it all down to bare metal, get a nice scratch in it, something like this, then take some 36, kind of scuff it out a little bit more, go ahead and weld some studs to it, kind of like you did right here. This is like a door ding, so he's gonna go ahead and pull that out, but this is basically what he'll do with it, kind of pull this out, tap it down, basically get it as flat as he can, so like it's basically like, I don't know, about 1/8 of an inch of Bondo, kind of at most. So you're basically just kind of skimming the top of it just to kind of get rid of the kind of the ripple in the paint. So you can see there's a couple little dings right here he's gonna go ahead and take care of, and there's one little spot he needs to kind of stud gun right there a little bit more and pull that out. But yeah, so this is just in 36 grit. What he's gonna do is just go ahead and block this with 80, then throw some icing, block that again, and this thing should probably be in primer tomorrow, hopefully. So moving right along. Alright guys, so that is pretty much going to end it for this video right here. And so stay tuned for the next part. Brandon's going to go ahead and get this thing all blocked out and kind of prep it and get it basically ready to spray. Spray some blue on it and you know, obviously like unbox the hood and the fender and all that stuff. Get that stuff sprayed as well. But yeah, the bodywork on this thing turned out really, really good, and it's been sitting for about a week, so it should be good. we shouldn't really have any shrink back in any of the like the primer scratches. We did have the PDR guy. He came out and there's a couple little small dents on the door, kind of down here on the bottom. There's one little one here on the quarter, and yeah, so that should be about it. He'll be blending the color kind of down into the quarters, painting the rail. You know, obviously then this is gonna get blended, so everything should be pretty good.